if I care about my curl pattern or heat damage from like straightening my hair, and the answer is no. Hope you guys can hear me because I do have a new microphone. I'm trying to talk loud enough so where the microphone can hear me, but like also not get too close so that I'm not like sounding crazy. So let me know, guys, how you feel about the new microphone. Do you consider yourself a straight natural? I feel like this is a question I keep seeing over and over again on my channel, and I just think it's quite funny. No, I don't consider myself a straight natural because it is not my intention to wear my natural hair straightened 100% of the time. It just so happens that I'm in a season that I'm wearing it straightened more often than not. I do go through seasons where I only wear my hair in its natural state in like braids, and I just really enjoy pampering my hair and just like deep conditioning it in its natural state and styling it in its natural state, that I usually will probably then opt to not straighten it. I have gone a year and a half without straightening my hair at all, and not because I was doing it on purpose, but literally it's just the style I was choosing to wear at the time. So I don't have a preference really whether to keep my hair straight 100% of the time or to keep it natural 100% of the time. I just kind of wear my hair in a fashion that suits me at the time. I don't really like say, oh, it's June or July, so I'm gonna wear my hair straight the whole time. No, it's more so like just how I feel at the time. So even though looks can be deceiving, no, I don't consider myself a straight natural. I'm not heat training my hair. I'm not, doing anything specific to my hair right now other than just enjoying it, enjoying styling it, and just trying my best to take care of it as best as I can. Another question that I saw was if I care about my curl pattern or heat damage from like straightening my hair, and the answer is no. Probably shockingly. Obviously, I don't want to damage my hair with heat. That's not what I'm setting out to do. But at the same time, I'm not really concerned with my curl pattern because I don't wear my curl pattern. I wear my hair either straight, and if it isn't straight, then it's in like control styles such as braids, such as a bun, such as a ponytail of some sort, but it's put away and it's controlled. I rarely wear my hair out, probably 0%, because again, like I told you guys, I'm afraid of the tingling and the matting that happens with that. And of course, with tingling and matting, we know comes breakage. So I try to like steer clear of breakage, and loose styles for me are gonna cause breakage because they're gonna cause severe tangling. Now, I'm not saying that I don't have moments where I do high ponytails with the length out or low ponytails with the length out or whatever. Sometimes I do experiment. I have these weird days, but 99.8% of the time my hair is just like either straightened, or if it's in its natural state, it's in two braids, a low bun, high bun, but it's like not just out. So I'm not big on wash and goes anymore. I don't do wash and goes anymore. So when it comes to my curl pattern, I'm not really like, I'm not really like bothered if my curl pattern loosens or becomes, different than what it is, because I'm not wearing my curl pattern. I literally just wear it in its natural state in controlled styles or straightened, but I don't really have an in between. I don't really do wash and goes. Another question was, how often do I wash my hair? I wash my hair, honestly, guys, when I feel like one, it's super dry, or two, the style that it's in is like no longer looking how I need it to look. So if my hair starts to feel really dry, if it starts to like sweat out a lot, or just not kind of have its shape. Like right now it has like a lot of body, it has a lot of like movement to it. Once this stops being like this, okay, I knew that like, okay, it's time to wash it. Or if I want to prolong it, I may just like put it in a bun, put it in a braid or something like that to prolong it if I'm not yet in the mood to wash it. If my hair is in its natural state, again, if my hair appears super dry, if it appears, you know, to be dirty from like maybe where I've been, who knows, sometimes, you know, the wind, the dust, the air, everything can just like all be different from day to day. So if I feel like my hair is in need of a wash, I'll just wash it. So I'm never on a schedule where it's like I only wash my hair every 2-3 days and it's just not time yet, so I'm gonna push it past its limit. No, I will wash it if it needs it, no matter what style it's in. Now, if my hair is in its natural state, I do tend to wash it probably like 2 to 3 times a week, 2 minimum probably, because when my hair is in its natural state, obviously I feel like I need to restyle it a little bit more just to like refresh it. It would be the same thing if I wore my hair out loose and curly. Obviously, you guys know after a while you have to refresh it. You kind of want to, you know, make it look juicy again. Same thing when I do either buns or braids. I want to make them look a little bit juicy again. I need to add a little bit of water, a little bit of conditioner, you know, just put that moisture back. When my hair is straight, if it starts to look or feel funky, I'm washing it again, no matter what, how many days it's been. But if my style is lasting, if things are going smooth, I try to push it almost to like 10 days, 7 to 10 days. If my hair is being good, if I notice or feel that my hair is dry, then I will wash it. Then I will restyle it, because I'm not just going to let my hair pretty much sit here and just like be dry as a cactus in a desert. I got asked, well, what products do I use with silicone in them? And pretty much all my products have silicones in them, guys, probably except for the shampoo. Another question I saw that somebody asked me is why I don't use henna anymore. And honestly, the answer to that is simply because I just lost sight of it. I have nothing against henna. When my hair was actually like a lighter blonde color, it actually made it like a little pretty ginger color. So I really used to love my henna treatments. They were great. I just lost sight of doing it, so there's no reason why I stopped. I love henna, and if you're interested in it, definitely give it a try. It's really fun. The only thing I would say though, if you're gonna use henna, make sure you don't plan on like bleaching or doing anything to your hair, because I feel like I forgot, but they said henna has something in it that kind of interacts with dye. Yeah, you just don't want to have it like interact with colors, but yeah, like definitely research that. Other than that, yeah, I loved henna. I love doing like I used to do like these clay masks on my hair and stuff like that. Honestly, guys, the reason why I don't do a lot of those things anymore is just because out of pure laziness. I just don't feel like it. All of those things are fun and they are just like very cool things to experiment with. I used to love coconut oil. I used to do coconut oil treatments all the time. But again, just kind of lost sight of those things, and I found what really worked for me. And when I kind of realized that those things were kind of just like additives and not necessarily like they weren't required, I think I kind of just was like, I told you guys, I used to be one of those people that did way too much, and now I'm just kind of like, keep it simple, keep it easy, and that's it. So yeah, just wanted to clear up those few misconceptions. Those are some tips I wanted to give you. Those are a few questions I kept seeing over and over and over again. If you have any more questions, if you have any, more tips or anything that you would like to share with all of us, please leave it down in the comment section below and I'll get back to you. And other than that, guys, I'll see you later. Bye.